Hey, Gio from HardluckCharlie's here, and this video is going to show you how to adapt your projector, modify your projector, so that you can go from an old DJL lamp, or even from one of our Tveden lamp modules, plug-in modules, to our new LED module. Now, this module here is about 4.5 inches long or so, and so it won't fit in your projector unless you remove this light baffle right here. And in order to remove this light baffle so that our LED module will plug in, you'll need a drill and a 1/8 inch bit, and just take and drill out these two rivets right here in this. Okay, so just drill into these little dips on these rivets, and if you just drill into those, a good way to do it is kind of at an angle, and that will keep the rivet from spinning loose. So if you don't drill it straight down, if you drill it a little bit to an angle, it'll kind of grind the lip on the rivet. And I'll show you. See, you may not be able to see it, but it ground that rivet, that little lip off, and I can just probably pull that off with some pliers. Do the same thing to this one. Be careful not to let your drill walk off too much. There you go, there's that one. And that's it. And you get that off of there. And then your plug-in module, the LED module, then should just go right down in there and lock right into place, and that's it. All there is to it, and then it should be you should be good to go. Okay, real quick, I'm going to show you how to remove this heat shield inside here of the lamp house cover so that it will fit back on over the top if you want to put it on back over the top of your LED module. So, in order to do that, we have to remove this rivet here, just like we did for the light baffle, for the light shield. And remove this rivet right there, again with a 1/8 inch drill or 1/8 inch drill bit and your drill. I'm going to pull this out. Might need a pair of pliers. And then just take a pair of pliers and pull the spacer up off the rivet. Go ahead and remove your spring clip. Remove the old rivet. And we'll get the new rivet and put it back in. Okay, to put this back in, you just use this little 1/8 inch rivet. Poke it back up through the hole, and put your spring clip back on. And hold this into position, and take your pop riveter and put it back on, and then make sure it's pushed in good. Push it down until it pops. And there you have it. It's ready to go. Okay, once you get your spring clip reinstalled, the rivets back in nice and tight, you should be able to just put your lamp cover back up and push it back on, and that's all there is to it.